The operation, led by officers from the Gun Narcotics and Firearms Unit, the Special Services Unit, and the Special Operations Team, follows a recent March 19 shooting where an officer narrowly escaped crossfire.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, I am doing this video to congratulate the police them on doing a damn good job. Now, Inspector Shevon, he is not playing, and me nah lie, this man right here, after Mr. God leave, Mr. Shevon will be the next police commissioner. He's doing good work. Listen to this.
Countryman channel, biggest YouTube channel, govern the world, 24/7, 44/8. We're not afraid of a man, we're not afraid of a girl, we're not afraid of no buck clot body, no mother cunt body, no mother cunt. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. The mother flag of the bitch and fag. Ride out the young with a big flag. Pull up, jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. The mother flag of the bitch and fag. Ride out the young with big flag. Pull up, jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman step for the shoes, hush puppy. You might see him on the news and make no floppy. Him love step, him can't settle him feet. Green Goblin, I call police. St. Lucia, people in my bar for peace. Down at Trinidad, Prezi is a fucking beast. Fucking beast. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. The mother flag of the bitch and fag. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Feud between rival groups from Odsa and Barbuda, marked by repeated shootings, including a fatal incident. A coordinated operation was launched on Sunday, March 23rd, 2025 to curb further bloodshed. About 5 a.m. on that day, law enforcement targeted 3 locations in Odsa, resulting in the seizure of a Taurus Armas G3C pistol loaded with a chambered round and 9 additional rounds of 9mm ammunition. 21-year-old Joachim Evans of Odsa was arrested after being found in possession of the firearm. He has since been charged with possession of firearm and possession of ammunition, and following a court appearance today, he was remanded to the Bodley Correctional Facility until April 29, 2025. The RSLPF commends the swift and coordinated efforts of all units involved, emphasizing the commitment to restoring safety in these affected communities.
Now, there was another takedown from what my intel tell me, and Mr. Shevon and the drugs team and the gun team went in Bois Patat and did an operation, and in that operation it was very, very successful. But I am hearing some other things about that area and the gangster them that was aligned around that area, whose stuff I was gonna say shh, but I'm trying to keep it clean. Now, I would like Mr. Shevon to go after the man them we kill them Umania, which una already catch one Lance Big this Pimp Brown. Now look at that picture right there. It's on Tuesday, May 25th. The police attached to the gang of narcotics firearm then went down into Bois Patat, that's in Castries, and them have a warrant to search a property. And look what them find: 1 Glock, 1 380, 1 blue Uzi, 1 9mm, 177 rounds of 380 ammunition. 14 rounds of 9mm, 5 rounds of 40 cal, and then get some ganja. Now, out of all of this, I think what really upsets me the most about this, it's the fact that look at who got arrested. A 21-year-old and a 15-year-old. Now, look at that properly. You see what it say right there, so? It say a 21-year-old female and a 15-year-old female. Me just did want to see if Uno was reading this thing along and really paying attention. And you see, that really fucking upset me, and that's why me have to do them kind of video, yeah. Because that's a 15-year-old child, and the 21-year-old is still a fucking kid. She a 21. She can't even wash her drawers good. You understand? Much less. But you dip on her ends with gunman have gun, and the 15-year-old, me guarantee say, no disrespect, she out there fuck. Yo B, me have a problem with that, and that's why me glad Inspector Shevon take down them bombard. Now we need to find the man them, and me know which set a man them, and me a showing them right now. See them here. Now only one crew in a St. Lucia have them MO there, and the monster crew. Them love little pitney them, and them use up the little girl them, and do all sort of thing to them. Make them all gun, all sort of things. See them end up kill Riley. But the boy like Frosted Flakes, and the other set of man them, and them have the girl them, little girl them in the house, I sit down for machine and them thing there. You understand? That is their motive of operation. So them not like big woman, you know, cause the big woman them have too much sense and too experience. Them man, yeah, them like some little young girl when they know nothing. We still should have in them house and go school and them thing there. And pretty much them boy are some pedophile them, yo. Or some look on them. But when my intel tell me, say this is their MO and this is the way they move, and I kinda really put it together and say yes, are the monster crew. So I feed them hang out that, and that we can guarantee say are the monster crew they behind that. So me I ask Inspector Shevon or Shevon to check that out for me. You have Frosted Flakes and you have the other man them, and them involved in a Riley killing too. So you need to check that out. Big Inspector, me have to just speak the truth, you understand? So start from the top again. Me love all the St. Lucia police them doing it, and them put on the pressure. And me know say you have enough tapper out there. You understand? You have John Wig, you have Dunce Prince, you have. You understand? Go right back. You have the mayor, Grass Street. You have all the, you have Plastic Face. And all of them man they mix up. This is what I'm saying. Them can't act like them legit, but the whole of them are pure baggage. So, Inspector, me just give you a heads up on all of that. Now, before I go, we have the interview them coming up, so wanna stay tuned. understand? I've been busy lately, but now I'm back. So, I'm gonna be dropping a video every day. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.